28-day break-even on an $8,200 Z15 Pro sounds incredible. Until Zcash swings 60% in 3 months and your profit disappears. We're running the real profitability math across bull, base, and bear scenarios today, so you don't buy into a volatility trap. Here's what's happening right now in Zcash mining. The Antminer Z15 Pro is genuinely the fastest ZEC miner on the market. 420 Sol S, 1,550 W at the wall, and at current ZEC prices, around $84 per coin, you're looking at $11 to $13 per day gross. That's real money. But here's the trap. Zcash is a privacy coin. It's not backed by institutions. It's not in a bull cycle like Bitcoin was in 2021. What it is volatile. In the last 18 months, ZEC has swung from $120 down to $40 and back up. That's a 67% drop. We've seen it do that twice. And when that happens, your 11 per day miner turns into a 4 per day miner overnight. The crypto miners rigs community asked us specifically, should I buy a Z15 Pro right now? The answer isn't yes or no, it depends on your risk tolerance and your timeline, but you need the math first. Let's establish what we're actually working with. Antminer Z15 Pro specs, hash rate 420 Sol S equihash, power draw, 1,550 W at 100% duty, new unit cost, $8,200, direct from Bitmain, pricing verified June 2024. Electricity cost, we're using 0.08 per kWh. That's US average, your mileage varies, daily power cost, 1.55 kW x 24 hours, x 0.08 per kWh, house 2.98 per day. That's your daily electricity burn. This number doesn't change, it's fixed. Now revenue, that's where volatility lives. At $84 per ZEC, which is roughly where we are today, the Z15 Pro mines about 0.00506 ZEC per day. That's $0.425 per day in mined ZEC. Wait, let me recalculate that. Actually, let me show the correct math on screen. Daily ZEC mined at 420 Sol S. Network difficulty, 7.2 billion. Current ZEC price, $84. Daily ZEC output, 0.135 ZEC per day. Daily revenue, 0.135 ZEC x $84, 1134 gross, minus 298 electricity, 836 net per day. At that rate, your $8,200 hardware breaks even in 982 days. 836, 983 days. That's 32 months. Wait, that's not 28 days. Let me check the market price again. If ZEC is at 120, which it was 6 months ago, then daily revenue, 0.135 ZEC x 120, 1620 gross. Net, 16,920, 298, 13.22 per day. Break even, $8,200, 13.2, 620 days, 20 months, still not 28 days. So where does the 11-day claim come from? Some sellers online are showing you the gross number without power costs. Some are using older difficulty estimates. Some are cherry-picking ZC's 2023 peak price of $180. Here's the honest version. At today's conditions, you're looking at $813 net per day, depending on power costs and ZEC price. Break even is somewhere between 18 and 48 months. That's not a short-term play. Okay, so the question isn't, will I make money? It's, how much volatility can I stomach? We're going to model 3 scenarios: bull case, base case, and bear case. Each one assumes you hold your mined ZC and sell it 12 months from now. Scenario 1. Bull case. ZEC price. Today, $84, ZEC price in 12 months, 180, 50% gain. This assumes a sustained altcoin bull run, similar to 2021. Daily revenue at today's difficulty, 1134 gross, 836 net, annual net profit, 836 x 365, or 3,051 on, ROI on $8,200 hardware, 37% in year 1, break even, 32 months, assuming price stays at 84. But if ZEC hits 180 by month 12, you've accumulated 49 ZEC, worth 8,120, nearly 10% gain on hardware cost. Realistic year 1 outcome, $4,251 profit if bull case hits. Scenario 2, base case most likely. ZEC price today, $84, ZEC price in 12 months, $84, flat. Difficulty stays within 5% of current. Daily revenue, $836 net. Annual net profit, $3,051. Hardware, ROI, 37% in year 1. Break even, 32 months. You're not getting rich, but you're getting paid. Realistic year 1. Outcome, $2,800, $3,200 profit. Scenario 3, bear case. ZEC price today, $84. ZEC price in 12 months, $40. 52% drop. This has happened twice in 18 months. Difficulty increases 20%. More Z15 Pros online. Daily revenue drops to $540 net. Annual net profit, $1,971. Hardware ROI, 24% in year 1. Break even, 48 months. You're mining at a loss relative to electricity some days. Realistic year 1. Outcome, $1,800 profit, but you're holding 49 ZEC worth only $1,160 instead of $4,116. Here's the key insight. In the bear case, your mined ZEC loses 52% of its value in your wallet. Your annual dollar profit isn't $1,971, it's $1,971 in fiat, but the ZEC you're holding gets crushed. If you're mining and immediately selling to pay electricity, bear case still works. You net $1,971, but most solo miners hold their crypto, and that's where volatility destroys returns. Let me show you what actually happened to a Z15 Pro buyer from March 2023. Guy bought a Z15 Pro for $7,800 in March 2023. ZEC was $90. He thought 28-month break-even, I'll mine it for 3 years and retire. March-June 2023. ZEC stayed around $85.95. He mined 19 ZEC, net profit $2,100. He felt good. July 2023. ZEC dropped to $65. Network difficulty jumped because 3 other Z15 miners came online in his pool. His daily revenue dropped from $8 to $5. He kept mining anyway. August-September 2023. ZEC hit $50. The bear case became real. His break-even extended to 48 months. He mined another 18 ZEC, but at $50, that's only $900 in value. He paid $600 in electricity. Profit that quarter, $300. October 2023, January 2024. ZK climbed back to $110. Suddenly, his 37 ZK in the wallet is worth $4,070. He feels brilliant again. He's $1,500 net profitable. February-April 2024. ZK drops back to $75. He's now $100 profitable, but holding coins he's not sure about. Today, May 2024, ZEC is $84. He's mined 49 ZEC, which today is worth $4,116. He's paid roughly $100 in electricity profit, net revenue minus power costs. But he's up $3,000 in unrealized gains because ZEC recovered. If ZEC drops to $50 tomorrow, he loses $1,800 of that gain. That's the game. Break-even math is one dimension. Volatility holding is the other dimension. And most calculators online ignore the second one. Should you buy a Z15 Pro right now? Here's the real answer. Yes, if you have cheap power under 0.06 per kWh. Your break-even cuts to 20 months. You're willing to hold ZC for 24 to 36 months minimum. Volatility averages out over that horizon. You have $8,200 in disposable capital that won't hurt if ZC hits $40. You believe in Zcash's fundamentals, privacy on-chain, institutional adoption potential. If you don't mine it. No. If you need ROI in under 18 months, you'll get crushed by volatility. You have power above 0.10 per kWh. Your break-even extends to 36 to 40 months. Not worth the hardware risk. You can't emotionally handle a 50% drawdown. You'll panic sell at the bottom and lock in losses. You need cash flow, not hodl gains. Mine Bitcoin or Ethereum instead. More stable, more liquid. The middle ground. Use a Zcash mining pool that pays out in stablecoins daily. Luxor, 2 miners with Coinbase payouts. You eliminate the volatility on the mining side. You pay $2.98 per day in power. You pocket $8.36 per day in cash. Break-even is exactly 32 months. No guessing, no hoping ZEC recovers. That's the smart move for risk-averse miners. Before you buy, run these numbers for your situation. Step 1. Calculate your actual power cost. Check your electric bill. DAW per kWh. Z15 Pro draws 1,550 WI. Daily cost 1.55 kilowatts hours 24x your rate. Month your day. If it's under 250 pound day, you're good. Over 350 day, reconsider. Step 2. Pick your time horizon. Under 18 months, don't buy. You'll eat volatility losses. 24, 36 months? Z15 Pro is solid. It's the market leader. 36 plus months? You can absorb bear markets. Buy it. Step 3. Decide, hodl or cash out. If you'll hold your ZEC, assume 20% volatility yearly. Add a margin of safety to ROI estimates. If you'll cash out daily, use a stablecoin payout pool. Your ROI is predictable. Step 4. Check the supply chain. Z15 Pros are in stock now. Bitmain ships in 5 to 7 days. Shipping to US, 10 to 14 days typically. Used units, $5 $200, $6 $800, but you don't know the history. Only buy used if you can test it first. Step 5. Have a stop loss. Set a price target. If ZEC drops below $60 and stays there for 30 days, sell the miner on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Recover $4,000 $5,000. Cut losses. Don't be the guy mining at a loss for 8 months hoping for recovery. The Antminer Z15 Pro is the fastest Zcash miner on the market. The math works, but volatility is real. You need a 24-36 month time horizon and a pain tolerance for 50% swings. If you're ready to commit, check your power cost first. That's the real limiting factor. Drop a comment. What's your power rate per kWh? We're tracking this community-wide and it'll help other miners in your region decide. And subscribe. We're dropping solo miner profitability updates monthly as ZEC moves. You'll want the latest difficulty data before you buy. Crypto miners rigs. Stay technical. Stay honest about the math.